Today on the PointBlank Performance YouTube channel, we've got HellBoy back, our C5 powered 5th gen Dodge Cummins, chasing 1100 horsepower, guys. We're keeping the big dogs on, the 37-inch Toyos, because the future of diesel performance is what? 1100, 1200, 1300? Hey, we're gonna find out. But the biggest thing to take away from this, we got our waste gauge changed on the exhaust manifold. Powder coat's locked in. First run out the gate, calibration 4. Just a casual 1000 horsepower plus on those 37s, making sure everything's right, then we're loading it up. Phil, get back, put your helmet on, it's dyno time, boys. You f***ers! Woo! Woo! Let's look at that data. Make sure the rods are still in this son of a bitch. Woo! She's good. She's good. Rods are still in, boys! Woo! That 106 so big, I gotta check. We're good! Woo! Blessed God! Woo! That turbo's so big, we had to notch the fender out a little bit, so when this truck leans over, it doesn't hit the fender. Yeah. Good Lord. Guys, when this thing leans hard, like we went in and notched all this out when we did our braces, this whole truck sits there and shakes all the time. So you can see right down in here, Phil will get you guys some B-roll, but that charger lays down in that little cove, so that way when the engine rotates over, it's not hitting everything. It's a massive charger. 1071, boys, 37s. Alright guys, so check this out. So we made 1071 rear-wheel horsepower and 1631 feet-pound of torque. We're getting there. We're all over it. Before we even started today's run, I asked the owner, I said, hey, when I get your kit back from powder coat, if we don't have to push it to kill mode, are you cool with that 1100 horsepower mark? He's like, if it will do it with the parts on it, do it. HellBoy's cooling down. We're looking at the data. What I know I'm gonna do on the next run, calibration 5, I'm gonna lengthen my RPM window. So I'm gonna bump it up to like 35, 50. So that way, if we spin that 106 harder, guess what? We should make more power. We're gonna add a little bit of fuel to it too. That way we can do it one more time and be done. I've looked at the data log. I love what I'm seeing in here. We're not super aggressive with this truck. So with that, you guys already know what time it is. Let's start HellBoy up. Let's do it one more time. Get your helmet on and get in front of the truck. 1,093 rear-wheel horsepower, 1,643 feet-pounds of torque. For the love of God, look at this graph. I need a nerve pill. 2,200, boom, straight up. That thing on 37-inch tall tires goes straight to the moon. 1,093 rear-wheel horsepower. Who wants to make a phone call to the customer and say, hey, you come in for 800, you're leaving with 1,100 horsepower on 37-inch tall tires? This motherfucker. Woo! Guys, got a C5 built, 5th Gen Cummins, headed out the door, leaving on a transport Tuesday. I'm ready to shake this guy's hand and say you on 1,100 horsepower daily driver. Make for sure you guys like, subscribe YouTube channel, because we got some 4th Gen action coming with another C5. We'll see you here at Point Blank Performance.